It was her big gig at the world's most famous arena in the world. So it comes as no surprise that Dua Lipa had to shine. The English songstress, 26, showcased her stunning svelte figure in the Balenciaga yellow lace flower-embroidered bold outfit, which had built-in boots as she performed at Madison Square Garden in New York City on Tuesday night. The tour, in support of her second studio album Future Nostalgia, has been postponed several times due to the COVID-19 pandemic, but finally kicked off in Florida last month. The distinctive busty look, which she also sported at her Miami show and throughout the dozen shows so far on her entire tour, featured a matching set of arm-length gloves. The pop superstar's long, brunette tresses were parted down the middle and styled straight for the night. The Grammy Award winner, who recently won the award for Best Pop R&B Act at last month's Brit Awards, wore minimal makeup and rocked a lovely nude shade on her lips. The Don't Start Now hitmaker entertained the crowd with a black microphone in her hand and a crew of dancers in blue outfits all around her. At one point the star performed a racy bit of choreography as she sat atop a male dancer and performed a seductive routine. Future Nostalgia in March 2021 won the Grammy Award for Best Pop Vocal Album, and its lead single Don't Start Now attained critical success, including Grammy noms for Record of the Year, Song of the Year and Best Pop Solo Performance. The singer's supporting acts, Lolo Zouai and Caroline Polachek, also gave phenomenal performances. Zouai, 26, looked effortlessly chic in a fuzzy plaid blazer and mini-skirt combination. The French-born R&B musician pranced around the stage in eye-catching fishnet stockings and black leather knee-high boots. As for makeup, she wore heavy black eyeliner and a bold dark red lip on her pout. Her dark hair was parted in the middle and elegantly disheveled in the back as it sticked up for some early 2000s flair. Meanwhile Polachek, 36, glowed in a white boho two-piece ensemble with tie-dye elements on the side. Like Lipa, the American singer and songwriter sported a pair of arm-length white gloves to go with her outfit. Keeping up with the boho vibe, she also donned a pair of boots and a violet floral necklace. Dua originally announced her Future Nostalgia tour in December 2019, but it was postponed several times due to the pandemic. The tour is set to conclude in November in Perth, Australia, and is being produced by Ceremony London, promoted by Live Nation and sponsored by Truly Hard Seltzer. Aside from Polachek and Zouai, the tour will also feature Megan Thee Stallion, Griff, Tove Lo, and Angèle as supporting acts. Earlier in the day, Dua was seen looking incredible in a neon green maxi dress, that featured a cutout that showed off her toned midriff as she headed to her gig in the Big Apple. Her shirt dress clung to her lithe figure and boasted a matching belt that cinched her in at her svelte waist. Dua paired the outfit with multicolored trainers and toted her essentials in a quirky blue and green handbag. She wore a beige baseball cap on her head, and shielded her eyes behind a pair of green cat-eye sunglasses. She left her raven tresses down to cascade over her back and finished off her look with a swipe of pink lipstick. Dua took to Instagram to celebrate the momentous occasion and to show off her outfit in all its glory. Captioning a slew of snaps of her posing in Madison Square Garden, she excitedly wrote, "The Garden Baby."